In today's video, I'm going to teach you to design a notebook page in Word. By the end, you'll have a clean, lined page you can print or reuse anytime without fussing around each time you need it. Start by opening a new Word document. We're going to maximize your writing area so the page feels like a real notebook. Head to the Layout tab, choose Margins, then Custom Margins. Set the top, bottom, left, and right margins to 0 or very small values. This gives you the most space for your lines. Just a quick tip: most printers can't print edge to edge, so Word may warn you that the margins are outside the printable area. If that happens, choose the option to fix them to your printer's minimums. If you're creating this for digital use only, 0 is fine. For printing, something like 1/4 inch is usually safe. Next, let's create the lines. Go to the Insert tab, click Table, and choose Insert Table. Set the number of columns to 1 and the number of rows to a high number, like 50, to fill the page with lines. Click OK. Each row acts as a ruled line, and the table's borders become your notebook lines. One column keeps everything simple and consistent, giving you that familiar lined paper look. If you're planning to type on this page in Word, this setup still works. You can move from one line to the next as you go. If you're printing it for handwriting, you'll get clean, evenly spaced lines right away. For a quick refinement, you can control how text sits within each line. Right-click anywhere inside the table and choose Table Properties. Go to the Cell tab and set the vertical alignment to center if you prefer your text to sit neatly in the middle of each line. This is optional, but it can make typed notes look more polished, especially if your line spacing is fairly tall. Finally, save this as a template so you can reuse it anytime. Go to File, Save As, and choose Word Template, which saves it as a .docx file. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Saving as a template means you won't overwrite your original. Instead, you'll always start with a fresh, lined page when you create a new document from it. That's it. Open a new document, set small margins, insert a one-column table with lots of rows, optionally center your text vertically, and save it as a template for future use. Enjoy your custom notebook page.